Hello friends, welcome back to the tutorial. As we have already seen how to implement web view, which means displaying web pages in our app and converting our app into web application. So here I'll add some more functions to accelerate and enhance our web application. Let's start. On back pressed function, so on pressing the back button you will notice that it closes the web pages but we want to navigate to the previous web page, so I'm adding this function. Now add custom web view client and override two methods here. Change the type to string URL. Now to add more features, we need to enable few settings like enabling JavaScript for accepting JavaScript enabled web view. So just copy these lines and paste it here. Press Alt Enter. Go to manifest file and add this user's permission. Now you can run and check your application. It is loading fastly and navigating to next. So you can see it's working fine. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more.